In the past few weeks, I have been talking about products that help to exfoliate your face, like this one, and products that help to exfoliate your body, like this one. And did you know that it's also important to exfoliate your scalp? So today we're going to be talking about healthy hair and how taking care of your scalp is so important to the overall health of your hair. Just like you exfoliate your face and just like you exfoliate your body, you can also exfoliate your scalp. The skin under your hair, i.e. your scalp, is skin that we don't often think about. It's kind of neglected. For a lot of us, if you have hair, it's covered up with hair, so you probably don't even think about the fact that you have skin here on the top of your head and that you need to be taking care of it. So what has worked wonders for me to help exfoliate my scalp and turn over that fresh layer of skin cells, therefore helping my hair be healthier and stronger and better in every way, is to exfoliate my scalp with this product. You've heard me talk about this brand before. This is Innersense, and this is called the Innersense True Enlightenment Scalp Scrub. And I use this maybe once a week right before shampooing my hair. So I just get in the shower, get it wet, and then I put a little bit of this on the scalp and just massage it in with my fingertips and let it kind of sit there for a minute. It has peppermint oil, so it's going to really feel refreshing. And it's also got tea tree oil. It's also got some little granules in it that help to scrub and exfoliate the scalp. This is what it looks like. It is just this beautiful whipped texture. And so it's got, I wish you could smell it. It smells like peppermint. It smells amazing. So if you like peppermint, you're gonna love it. It is very much a peppermint smell. It's also a peppermint feel. When you put it on your scalp, you can feel that tingle of the peppermint oil. I love it. It makes me feel like everything is just kind of waking up and it's all healthier and stronger because of this stuff. Innersense, again, one of my favorite brands. It is a super clean brand. This is something that I very much trust. I'm gonna link everything, obviously, but I use this, like I said, maybe once a week. Sometimes I forget, but let's say once a week or a couple times a month, I use this, and it has made a huge difference in the growth of my hair and also just in the overall health and how my hair behaves in between washes. So I find that I'm able to go longer in between washes if I'm taking good care of my scalp with the scalp scrub. The second part, so there are two steps to taking care of your scalp. One is to exfoliate with a scalp scrub like this one, and then the next thing is to really nourish that skin on your scalp. And I like to do that with the Oliveda H22. This is the hair and scalp treatment. So a lot of times people will ask me, does Oliveda have a conditioner? Yes and no. It's not really called a conditioner, so it's not necessarily, it doesn't say conditioner on it, but you can use this all over your hair. The difference is with a conditioner, you typically put it like from here down, right? Like midway down to the ends of your hair. You don't typically put conditioner right on your scalp, but this one you can put from the scalp all the way to the ends. It is not going to weigh it down. It's just going to help to nurture and nourish that scalp that you just treated with the exfoliating treatment. So I use this with every wash, whereas I use this maybe like every second or third wash, I will do the exfoliating treatment. This is my go-to scalp conditioning treatment and hair conditioner all in one. And it's just such a luxurious experience to combine those two products together, the scalp scrub and the scalp treatment. And another thing that has really worked well for me to take care of my scalp is a little massager, a scalp massager like this one. There are all kinds of different ones. They have some that are bigger or smaller. I like this one. It's kind of the sweet spot for me of not too hard, not too soft. It's like the Goldilocks of scalp massagers. So this is what I use every time I shampoo. I just get in there and kind of rub. You don't want to like really scrub because you don't want to hurt yourself, but just kind of get in there and rub with this. And these look sharp, but they're not. They're very soft silicone little, what are we calling these? Little silicone tips. Let's go with that. They're soft silicone tips, and it helps to exfoliate your scalp and just improve the circulation to your scalp, which obviously is going to help your hair as well. So I really recommend getting a scalp scrubber, no matter what kind of shampoo you use. A scalp scrubber is always a great idea, scalp massager. And then finally, because we always talk about how beauty starts from the inside out, right? So you can take care of the ends of your hair. You can work your way up to taking care of your scalp. That's all great. But the root, no pun intended, the root of good healthy hair is always going to come from the inside, and that's why it's really important to have a nice high quality collagen. And my go-to is the I-66 liquid collagen. You keep this in the fridge, you give it a good shake before you take it, and then you put it in the little measuring cup, fill it up to the 17.5 ml line, and just drink it like a shot every morning. I've told this story before, but in case you missed it, several months ago, I was having some hair loss and went to the doctor and had all the labs and everything run. There was nothing that we could find that was incredibly wrong with me that would have caused me to have my hair coming out. It wasn't like falling out in chunks, but it was just more than I really was comfortable with. And so the doctor said, well, you probably need collagen. And I said, I'm already taking a powder collagen, so that doesn't make any sense. So I switched to a liquid collagen, and there's something about the way that a liquid collagen works, especially this one, I have found to be really effective for me. Whereas no other collagen was helping with the hair thing, this one really did. And so I noticed after about 4 to 6 weeks of taking that collagen every day that I was starting to see little baby hairs growing in, and my hair was really filling in, and now it's very full, like it's all back. So that is so fun. It's so good to see that. All right, so remember, beauty starts from the inside. You need a good liquid collagen, and then you need to take care of and not neglect the skin under your hair, which is your scalp. If you have any questions, I am here to meet with you on Zoom to answer any questions about clean beauty and to point you in the right direction, whether you're looking at Oliveda or something else. I'm happy to help troubleshoot and help you find exactly that right sweet spot for you so that you have the cleanest, safest products available and you get the results that you're looking for. Thanks so much for watching. I am so grateful you're here, and I will see you again next week. Take care.